Welcome to one of the most stunning places on planet Earth. Nestled in the heart of the Italian Alps, the Dolomites are a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for their towering limestone peaks, deep valleys, and breathtaking landscapes. Today we're diving into top places to visit in this incredible region, each with its own unique beauty and rich history. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through some of the most iconic spots in the Dolomites. First up, we have Seceda, one of the most iconic and picturesque spots in the Dolomites. The green meadows dotted with charming alpine huts contrast beautifully with the towering peaks of the Odol Mountains. Seceda is a paradise for hikers, offering panoramic views that make you feel like you're on top of the world. Did you know that Seceda area has been a center for alpine farming and tradition for centuries? In fact, the region's rich agricultural history dates back to the Middle Ages, when the local farmers cultivated these hills and created an enduring connection between nature and the local communities. Next, we head to Lake Braies, often called the Pearl of the Dolomites. This stunning alpine lake is known for its crystal clear waters and its picturesque setting surrounded by dense forests and towering peaks. Whether you're kayaking on the lake or simply enjoying the view, it is easy to see why this place is a must-see. Lake Braies has a fascinating past too. It was once a private property of the Prussian noble family, the Fuggers, in the 19th century. Today, it's a beloved spot for visitors, attracting photographers, nature lovers, and anyone seeking a tranquil escape in the mountains. And then you come to the mighty Drei Zinnen, or Three Peaks, one of the most recognizable symbols of Dolomites. These towering spires rise almost 3,000 meters above sea level, making them a prime destination for climbers and adventurers from all around the world. The Drei Zinnen have been the site of legendary climbs, with the first successful ascent in 1869. The peaks themselves are also steeped in history. During World War I, they were the site of intense battles between Italian and Austrian soldiers. These peaks themselves are also steeped in history. During World War I, they were the sites of intense battles between Italian and Austrian soldiers, leaving behind relics and stories that echo through the mountains. Next, let's head to Gardena Pass, one of the most scenic mountain passes in the Dolomites. Sitting at an altitude of over 2,000 meters, this road offers some of the best views of the surrounding peaks, including the famous Sella Group and the Landkurve. It is not just a great place for a scenic drive, but also a gateway to incredible hiking and skiing routes. Historically, Gardena Pass was a vital route for trade and military movements between the northern and the southern parts of the Alps. It is said that this pass was once used by the Tyrolean peasants to transport goods across the mountains. Today, it's a tranquil escape for those seeking adventure and peace alike. Last but not least, we arrive at the Earth Pyramids, a natural wonder unlike anything else in the Dolomites. These towering formations, created over thousands of years through erosion of surrounding soil, stand like silent sentinels in the valley below. It's a landscape that feels otherworldly. These earth pyramids have been shaped by both wind and water, and their creation is a true testament of the power of nature's forces. Though they look fragile, they have withstood the test of time. For centuries, locals have marveled at these incredible structures, which also played a role in shaping the region's folklore and stories. So the Dolomites are not just a feast for the eyes. They are a celebration of nature's beauty and history, each location offering a unique glimpse into the past and present of this magical region. Whether you're hiking through lush meadows, exploring historic battle sites, or simply soaking in the alpine air, the Dolomites are a place where adventure and tranquility meet. So, what are you waiting for? Come and experience the beauty and history of the Dolomites for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.